A picture that changes clothes, painting with fingers, and even with hands, and many other great ideas and handmade things in our today's video. Double Bubble is getting ready for tomorrow classes. There is so much to do, but she wants to play and have fun. I'll take a drop of water and play with the doll for 2 minutes. I wish the water in my glass was magical. On a piece of white paper, draw the picture of favorite doll. It's gonna be Girl Dusk and 2 funny tails on her head. She's wearing a funny dress and beautiful palms, perhaps even with laces. Generally, she prefers dark colors. She's got black dress with dark blue patterns, and her hairdo is also black and blue. Paint the background behind her any color. I chose the green one. Now I need a poly bag with a zipper and put my picture into it. Now draw the girl's contour right on the bag. But I draw another suit, and this time it's beautiful swimming suit. By the way, I color it into red. Take a transparent glass and fill it with any water. Now plunge the picture into this glass. Wow, the doll's clothes start to change, and the background becomes white too. With this cool trick, you'll surprise all your friends at school. A couple of minutes of rest is obviously not enough. Seems like Double Bubble wants to refresh herself. Her favorite treat, corn curls Ruziks. She has swallowed them all, and only crumbles left. Seems like I got a great idea about how to use them. For this life hack, I need 2 plastic plates. Cut them in half to the middle. Now join them this way. This way they can move easily. On the first plate, I draw the knight. At first, paint a crescent and make the background black. The picture should be made on one half of the plate, because the other half of it should be covered with yellow, as this is sand. And draw the sun on the second plate and paint the sky blue. It should be this way. On the first plate I make beautiful sand. And here I need my favorite corn curls Ruzik. It's so easy to crumble them. Cover the beach area with a glue stick and cover with crumbles up here. Draw an umbrella on a usual piece of paper. Now cut it out on the contour. And I glue it right in our picture, and the cute tent too. And the little snow bunny under the umbrella. Both plates are ready. Now join them together and move the plates so that day and night change for the bunny. And you can make this bright and colorful picture with your own hands only in several minutes. Draw a funny person on a white sheet of paper. He resembles a cloud with funny crooked paws. And color him with the usual pastel, but in a very unusual way. Crumble pastels of different colors. The main thing now is not to sneeze at him. Press the pastel piles with a finger and stretch them all down here. Wow, it's such a bright rainbow here. And remove the unnecessary crumbles with a brush. And the bright picture with a rainbow cloud is ready. With this funny technique, you can bring joy to all your friends. Mom is coming from work soon, and my table is not clean enough. All pens, felt pens and rulers don't fit into one cup. And generally it's very boring, grey and totally anti-double bubblish. At first I draw a cute doll. The girl has a hairdo in braids and beautiful big eyes on her face, and she's wearing a little suit and 2 cute flat shoes on her feet. I cut a piece of paper to fit the size of cup holder and glue the picture up here. On any plastic copybook cover, draw the clothes for our l.o.l. May the first suit be winter one. I make the pants green and the warm jacket into red, and the hood with ears into violet. The second one is ginger dress, and the third one is meant for sport. All felt pens got dry on them. Now glue the cover right on our cup. Now you can spin the upper layer of the cover, and you can make the same l.o.l clothes changer for your favorite doll. Who would believe that it's impossible to draw cool pictures from numbers? Number 4 can easily become a golden fish. We draw its scales, lips, fins and a big tail. And 6 can turn into a funny snail. It has a big shell and 2 funny tentacles. Let's take a more complicated number, 19, and it really resembles a bear climbing on a tree. It's interesting what can be made from my at least favorite Mark II. Wow, and it turns into a real stork. Oh, and what about 2 toes? It's okay, I draw a funny baby shark from them. And who can become of number 3? I draw a funny butterfly. And such cute funny pics from numbers you can draw by yourself too. I wish they would give me a cat for my birthday, or even a little mouse. But no, Mom is not going to buy me a pet. Then I turn into a pet myself. Make a heart from a small square. It can be the funny base for a cat face. And cool ears can be made from black triangles, if you add pink needles on them. And of course fluffy whiskers like those of a real cat. For the beginning, I cut a stripe from black cardboard and glue it this way to get an arch. Now glue the cat face right on this pre-made body and fold the tail several times. And the cute tomcat is ready! Now it's time to make a mouse friend for him. Glue her body in a petal. And now glue two eyes on the face. And up here her round ears. And whiskers with a nose down here. And it's only the tail that remains. And it's time to play cat and mouse. For this life hack I need 2 white sheets of paper and draw a l.o.l face in the right corner. 2 big eyes and a hairdo. I want it to be l.o.l sugar baby. That's why she needs a golden headband. And now color her. Paint her pupils and eyelines with black. And her hairdo is of 2 colors. One half is blue and the other one is soft pink. And the golden headband glitters on the doll's head. And make her skin be of peach color. And on the second paper sheet drop paper on the same side. She's got 1 tail on the back of her head. And her headband is with 2 horns. Color her hair into black. And her headband is red. Her eyes are blue. Now put 1 picture on another. And draw the upper one with the use of pen or pencil. Now quickly unroll it. Wow, and the sugary babe turns into pepper. And now it's back to sugar again. And you can show off with this cute animation in your friend's presents. In this life hack I'm going to show how to paint with hands. Put such a pattern on white sheet of paper and draw its contour from all sides. Now draw a big round eye and a broad smile. And several thorns on the back here, so that it starts to resemble a dragon. And now I draw the contour of my hand. Now turn it upside down and draw ears to it. Now 2 big eyes and a nose with whiskers. Now paint the ears into beige on the inside. And paint the red face into grey color. And the black spot for the nose. Such a long sad red we got here. This time I put my hand this way. And start with the eye. And then draw the smile and the nose. Oh, resembles a baby crocodile. Now paint it into green. And the crocodile swam to us. Cool, simple pictures done in several minutes are ready. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.